काँग्रेसीच्या आदल्या सरकारान म्हादयचो विषय गांभीर्यान घेवंक ना आणि मागीरच्या भाजप सरकारान ह्या विशयाचेर फाटपुरवण करूंक ना। जर सरकारान फाटल्या केशीत दिल्ल्या निवेड्याचो अभ्यास केल्लो जाल्यार म्हादय प्रवाह बसकेत कर्नाटकाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक गोयच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक कळसा बंडुरा प्रकल्पाची पळोवणी करपा पासत आडोवपाची कापास्ताद जावची नाशिल्ली अशें म्हादय बचाव आंदोलनाचो आदोगाद भवानी शंकर गडनिसान सांगले।
The question is, the concerned Prabha officials who are holding the meeting of conference, they must know these orders, no? If they were aware of that order, they would not have stopped Goa officials not visiting. That means they are ignorant of that order.
So who should have informed them?
There's no question of Goa government should give up the ego and should approach Mhadei Bachao Abhiyan chairman, because she contested all these orders right from beginning and find out what is what. Then only they will be enlightened. But then highly officials who go visit it, they should be aware of these orders. Baba, this is the order which has been passed. That means they were not aware of these orders and make use of this order. Saying, Baba, who are you to tell us not to visit? Here is the order passed by them. I can go anytime. Even journalists go can anytime because nobody can stop them.
Are you allowed to go there? Anybody
No,
tried?
but with this order...
No, even they are not tried. They are not allowed. Yes. The government is trying its own way. He doesn't want to try to know the other way around what is going on. So it was the work of AG. He should have.
I am of the opinion this case was weakened by Congress government then. They were talking all rot and without taking any cognizance of it. I will hold Congress responsible for this in totality when this matter started in 2009. Thereafter, of course, the Parikar government destroyed it. That's a different thing, because every time press note is to be sent, no proceedings were given to the press people, and whatever press note you people believed, and it is to come in paper. And in the last, of course, she attended that standing ovation. What happened? And I was telling her, what is you are telling is not happening over here. This is altogether different. Goa is getting a stick from Panchal, but papers are giving different thing, and in the end you will know, and ultimately they came to know about it. What is the result?